Day 6. Day 6. We've just paid our, we've just paid our bill. We are checking out of the Red House. Whew. What a spot. I will put a link in the description to the Red House. Amazing place, you get that authenticity, amazing food, incredible. Starter motor. Oh, that starter motor is on its way out. No. 3 foot. Yeah. Where'd you buy? That one. Oh, Kathmandu. Day 6.
Home ground. Excellent.
Rabin's just brought us up here. What a cool little morning ride. Good start to the day. Woo! Wow. Look at that, 360. Woo! We've just stepped into Upper Mustang territory. Upper Mustang territory.
Oh, is it? I didn't know.
Rabin was saying that he normally goes and sits over here just for some peace and quiet, but he's seen a snow leopard and blue sheep over these mountains here. This is all very highly restricted area. So we're sort of fortunate to come up here because you'd have to pay 500 US to come up around here. But we haven't come in and now we're just going to head off. So our plan today, obviously day 6, we are heading back to Kalapani. We'll have a cup of tea, I'll grab my shoes, and then we are heading all the way to Kushma today. 3.5, 4 hour ride, but we're going to stop at the waterfalls. We're going to do a lot of stops. So I think if we get to Kushma by 4 o'clock, we'll be doing well. Come along for the ride. Welcome to Upper Mustang. And then obviously further upper is that way. Another 40 k's or something. Alright, this is epic. This is Beancag Benny. We're heading south now. We've hit our destination and now we're on our way back.
6,000 something.
Not to the peak, but to the valley bit there.
The valley is 5,000.
Oh, that's 5,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
5,000 if you go down.
It's the highest pass in the world. Completes the Annapurna circuit. Amazing. Can't get enough of it. Could sit here and take photos all day. Alright, let's saddle up, Big Gary. Let's saddle up.
And diamond rings. In here I see all kinds, even tiny drunken Muscovites, mouths locked tight, with a native man seeking shelter for the night.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I just stopped and it just went over. Yeah. All good.
You right? You okay? Yeah. Stand.
Thank you.
Just let it.
When I looked round, as I looked round, I wasn't paying attention to the bike, but I was still filming.
Aye.
I just put it down on the floor sort of thing.
Just slow down.
No, I stopped. Yeah.
He'd already stopped.
And I looked up, as I looked up, I kind of like...
Because your head went there, then you went there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
That golden rule.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bloody things. Thank you, brother. Awesome. That was fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Be safe.
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy cash. That's the way we come up. I thought you were going to come off again coming down there. I'm like, fuck no, because you ran over that big rock.
Yeah, yeah. Well, as I first went.
And it sent you off fucking...
Yeah, and then I was like...
Alright, we're just going to tighten up. This cap nearly come all the way off from the bark buster. Lapani Kalapani, here we come.
Don't fall. Got a job with a company you're drilling for, just to make some change, living and working on the land. I quit my job and I left my wife, headed out west for a brand new life, just to get away, living and working on the land. What a change.
Alright, I'll
didn't do a very good job, did I?
Another stop. I didn't do a too bloody good a job at doing me bag today. Alright, round 6.
Living and working on the land. La 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 la. La 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 la. Living and working on the land. Saturday night, get into some booze, maybe a fight, 'cause it's tough out here, living and working on the land. What a change it's been, from working at 9 to 5. Oh, how strange it's been. Where the rain don't fall, on a job with a company, drilling for oil. Never gonna leave, living and working on the land. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Living and working on the land.
Hello! How are you? Good? We're good? Thank you, boss. Woo! Okay. Hello. Do you want to see people? Okay. No problem. It's alright.
Checkpoint, check. What are we going to do in Johnson then? Checkpoint done.
Yeah, go that way. Oh no, come this way. Sorry, mate.
Right then, so how long have we got to get to Rams?
Oh, you could get there in an hour.
Okay. Can I borrow some money?
300.
This one 2 kilo, 150 to 300.
Can I borrow 1,000 then?
This one good apple.
Off you?
Yeah.
I'll get these apples.
Yeah.
Quick apple stop. And just bought a kilo. One.
Yeah, 3 kilo.
Okay.
How many kilo? Yeah, no. How many in the bag?
Apples, $1. We've got Golden Delicious and we've got Royal Gala. Come one, come all. 50% sale. On the apples, Going once, going twice. Oh. All right, we just come another 5 minutes. We're going to get a coffee and a tea.
Mountain. Yes. Yes, please. Coffee. Nice and strong. Nice and strong. What do you think about that, Gary? Let him have a try first. Oh, that's smooth, isn't it? So we're just discussing this mountain here. Nilgiri Himal. How high does it look? How high does it look from here? Well, I'll tell you. Cut the suspense, don't worry about it. Don't open up Google, I'll tell you. 7,061 meters, 7 kilometers above sea level. Absolutely marvelous. Buzzing after that coffee. How far will we go? Probably 10 minutes and then we'll stop. Told you it was going to be a slow trip. Oh, is that mine or yours?
That's mine, I think. I do believe.
Woo! Stinky. Here we go again. Okay, we're going to do a loop track of the, going to go around Marpa. Well done, Pippa. On you, bud.
How cool is that?
Yeah, very cool.
It's just amazing place.
It's an amazing place.
How cool is that?
Yeah, very cool.
It's just an amazing place, eh?
What an amazing village. Martha's it's a standalone little village. You could spend a month there. It's just incredible. Like, stay there for a couple of days, stay there, move through the village. It's just an amazing area. Home to the apple. Yeah, famous for the apple. Talking about apple. Bus.
It always creeps inside my head. Curtains closed, you peep inside my head. You were always down for it. Getting this getaway and we run from it. Yeah, you were always down for it. Getting this getaway and we run from it. You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? Why don't we turn the leaf? Why don't we turn the? What you've done, you can't keep inside. By the end of the night, I'll help you confide. Cause I can see inside yourself. Cause I can see you're not being yourself. Cause usually you're down for it. Can't hold back a smile when you try for it. Yeah, cause usually you're down for it. Can't hold back a smile when you try for it. You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? You're giving me the coldest stare, like you don't even know I'm here. Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me? Why don't you let me see? Why don't you let me?
Hello? Hello? Mustang English School. How's that for a school? It's nearing on 2 p.m. I just said to Ramsey that we're going to Kushma. He goes, you're just going to Tatapani, which is only 15 minutes. I said, no, we're going to Kushma. He said, hey, you're crazy. And it's getting cooler. So we've got about, well, he reckons we've got about 3 hours, but with all our stops, probably 5. Yep. Another police check done. Tick. Woo!
All this time to find out what I need.
1 hour to go. Woo!
Welcome back to Hotel Bench. Yeah, we made it. Back to Kushma. That's a wrap. That's day 6 done. How you feeling?
No, I'm feeling great. This is fucking best.
Ooh, good to get off the road, but